Hello. So today's session we have started core Java session. So in this series, we are going to start first introduction to Java, why Java, features of Java, and installation of JDK and Eclipse. So let's our first point we will discuss about the introduction to Java. So Java is a high level object oriented programming language and it is developed by James Closing in 1995. It is used for web application, mobile app, desktop softwares and enterprise system and many more things it will be useful. Our next terminology is why Java. So Java is a platform independent, means write once, run anywhere. Means once we write a code in our system, in other any system, we able to execute it. So that is the main feature we have in Java. It is simple and easy to learn. It support large community and extensive libraries widely used in industries. More it will be useful in industries as well. We are sorry. Basically, we are learning here core Java because of this series we started for Selenium and Selenium scripts we need to write in core Java language. So you should able to understand Selenium script. So that purpose is firstly we need to learn core Java. So that's why firstly from very scratch we started core Java concepts, and after that we are going to on Selenium part. So let's now we will discuss about the how to do setup for Eclipse and JDK. So for this Eclipse and JDK installation, I will provide one link in our description for installation of JDK and Eclipse. In that link, both the JDK and Eclipse installation software will be present. You need to just open that link and download both the Eclipse and JDK application. So, and then you need to install those files on your system. So these links I provide to you in description. So from there you can open, you're able to open and able to download Eclipse and JDK and then start the installation according to our following steps. So let's firstly discuss about the how to install JDK. So for installation JDK, what you need to do after downloading JDK file or GDK zip file from our this link, then comes to your this PC. In that downloads location, there is a one file it will be showing zip file. So firstly copy that zip file and paste it in some another location, and then right click on that file and then you get a extract here or extract all option. So click on that option. After that you will get a one folder there. So open that folder. So in that folder, you will get a two files. One is a Eclipse and one is a JDK. So firstly, you need to run JDK installer. So there is a JDK file is showing. So just click on the JDK installer or run the downloaded installer, and after that there you will get a next button. So there just go with the click on the next button. Okay, first click on the next button, then again next button it will be coming. So just go with the click on the next button, and then your installation it will be complete up by end. Close that window, and after that we need to check our JDK is installed successfully or not. So how to install? So for that you can type a command on command prompt java space hyphen version. So this command helps you to your JDK is installed successfully or not in your system. If your JDK is installed on your system, it will be showing which version you are installed on your system. That version it will be visible to you. How to open command prompt? Comes to your bottom of the in this search field. Here type cmd and here it shows the command prompt. So just open this command prompt and here type java space hyphen version. So if JDK is installed successfully, so it will be Sorry, my spelling is mistake. That's why showing like this. Java space hyphen spelling should be correct. See. So now it will be showing which version is present in my system. Whenever you type a command, your spelling should be correct. So take care of these things. Okay, so if like this it will be visible, then you can consider your JDK is installed successfully. After installation of JDK, then for writing the code of our Java, we require Eclipse IDE. Sorry. So whatever you have previously downloaded folder in that Eclipse installer also present in is there. So just click on that Eclipse installer and that will be run, and there is a select the option Eclipse ID for Java developer. There after opening that file you get option there multiple, so there is a first or second option you get Eclipse ID for Java developer. Select that option and click on the install button. Okay, and after click on the install button, one green line it will be comes. So until complete that green line you need to wait some time, or if they will be asked to license an agreement, so you can ask the license and agreement. And after complete the your installation, after that you will get a launch button. So just click on that launch button and your Eclipse will open. Okay. So like this simple steps you need to follow for installation of Eclipse and JDK. So yes, that's all about the things we will cover in today's our session. Actual practical part by upcoming series we will start for core Java, but firstly installation is very important, so that's why some instruction I given on core Java, and installation steps I try to explain some orally. It's a very simple step. Just open this link and try to download those file, and on that downloaded file, just by clicking you able to by following these normal steps you able to install, uh, you able to complete your installation basically. Yeah, so that's all about our today's session. So if you like this my session, so please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell icon. So whenever my new sessions it will be coming, so you will get a notification. So you are able to see that. Yeah. So thank you. Bye everyone for my sessions.